Okay, this is video 5, which we could have included in the previous one for the enemy, because all we're going to add is the business of this collision of touching when it touches the bullet. Now, if you look at the script, we already had the hit city one, so we just put another if statement in it that says if it's touching the bullet, then we set collision to true. This is a variable. Now we have to make this variable, and if you look over here, we have a new variable called collision, and also up here in reset we set it to false, and this means that there's nothing colliding. So if this sprite, the enemy, touches the bullet, we set the collision to true, and then we hide and reset. So that's all that's going on here. Now, we could do it the other way. We could have the bullet hitting the enemy. Now, one thing, and put this in the back of your mind or front of your mind, whatever, you can't do it in both places or the computer gets really confused. So whenever you have collisions or things touching, one thing touches the other. Don't have them both have scripts that say, if touching, do certain things. So anyway, let's see if this in fact works. And here it comes, and so I'm pointing over here and I hit it. I didn't fire, sorry. Okay, here we go. It's coming along and bang. See it disappear? And try it again. And it disappears. It's exactly what we want it to do. Let's see. Now, in fact, it's interesting though, did you notice that the bullet kept going? Now, we don't want that to happen. So what we will do is in the bullet, where we see the collision is set to true, then the bullet will then disappear. And we will build that script, but that script's not there yet. Okay, this is it for number 5. And we will then go to number 6 next.